Yeah, so I'm here doing a water faucet. It was leaking. Here we got it here. It's pretty old. It's leaking from the seals that are, these seals are all rubber. And we're putting in a nice connector. Goes right on the copper pipe. And then the hose will screw right in there. So if the homeowner ever needs to change it again, it'll be easy enough for him to do it himself. There won't even be any soldering needed. So we'll get going on that and I'll show you when it's done. It's always good to get a burring tool and just clean that up inside so there's no burrs going out into the water. There you go, all done. There's a connection here to the old pipe. So now if you need to change this for any reason, if it's broken, you just unscrew it here with 2 wrenches and replace it. Problem solved.